Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.2, Problem 13. This is Section 1.2, Problem 13. It says, write the given number in words. And it's a very big number. This is 44,981,584. So we'll start with the 44 million. So I'll put 40, I write a dash, 4, and now I have to write the word million because that's the position it's in, millions position. 44 million. Now 981,000 will be next. So 900 81,000 so that takes care of this 981,000. Then finally 584. 500 84, and I see I left off my y in 81, so I'll sneak it in right now. So that big number, 44,981,584.